Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 1120S. First, ensure your business qualifies as an S corporation and has an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. You'll need to gather all your financial records, including income statements, balance sheets, and shareholder information. This preparation is crucial for accurate reporting and avoiding common errors. Let's dive into the specifics of each section. Moving on, you'll start by filling in your S corporation's basic identification details, like its name, address, and employer identification number. Then, you'll report your gross receipts or sales, subtracting any returns or allowances. Don't forget to include any other income your corporation received, such as interest or dividends, in the designated sections. Accuracy here is key for a smooth filing process. Next, we'll tackle deductions. You'll itemize all your business expenses, including salaries paid to officers, rent, and utilities. If your business sells products, accurately calculate and report your cost of goods sold. Also, be sure to identify and claim any tax credits your S corporation is eligible for, as these can significantly reduce your overall tax burden. Finally, you'll complete Schedule K1 for each shareholder, detailing their individual share of the S corporation's income, deductions, and credits. Make sure all required schedules, like Schedule L for the balance sheet and Schedule M1 for reconciliation, are accurately filled out and attached. Double-check everything before filing to avoid any issues. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.